Yes, my brothers. When I don't hear wetin happen to our brother since either 2023 during the presidential election where governor of Lagos State put him inside prison. Yeah. Now then don't because then charge him with terrorist charge. Say the man work with terrorists or he sponsor terrorists, something like that. Because the man said that he will call the IPOP people to protect Igbo business in Lagos. Because some group of Yorubas are destroying Igbo's business during that time where P2B and the Tinubu, I believe all of you don't hear that story. Now, then they know the charge and now with terrorists again. They don't cancel that one. They don't remove that one. They sentence him 12 months. 12 months, that is 1 year. He go there 1 year inside prison. Why they sentence him 1 year now is that they say why the man go to answer Igbo king. He has a kedo no saza eze. He not supposed to answer the king. He not supposed to be answering eze in Lagos State. In Lagos State. Yeah. So, ha charge ya now. Kedu ihe kpatara o ji aza eze ndị Igbo na Lagos? That is offense that this man committed now. That is maka ihe a ka ndị Yoruba ji wetu this man nga now 1 year, 12 months. Issue of for him to calling the IPOP in Lagos, then don't discharge that one because aka nwoke married Ocha. This man is innocent man. On whether anybody or bona, or now the man had a sponsor on any terrorist or something like that. The man is only after to protect the Igbos in Lagos. But let me tell you that this governor is very, very wicked. If I say that some of the Yorubas are very wicked, I'm not a liar. Yes. Why I say that Governor Sonwolu is very wicked governor is that during the time where his brothers are attacking Igbos, disturbing them, destroying the business of Igbo in Lagos, Governor Sonwolu as a governor couldn't stand up to condemn what his brothers are doing to Igbos in Lagos. He kept quiet. He did not even say anything. He did not even condemn what their brother is doing in Lagos to show that he is in support of that. Governor Sonwolu couldn't do anything. And the man stood up. Said that if this thing continue, he will invite IPOP to Lagos for them to secure Igbo business. He's not inviting IPOP in Lagos for IPOP to fight Yorubas or do war. No, for them to secure Igbo's business. Because government do not want to serve them. Government no talk anything. Yes, your brothers are doing evil. And you, governor, couldn't stand up to condemn what they are doing. And somebody want to protect himself, and you arrest him. Unejiri terrorist this thing. Carry allegation. After everything now, then don't remove that charge of terrorism now. They are charging him. Why are you answering King? Kirihijaza Igwe in this place, Lagos? You're not supposed to answer King. Yes, they're not supposed to be calling you as a king. Who ordained you as a king in Yoruba land? So the Yorubas now judge this man because the man, boy Igwendo Lagos. That is why they judge this man 1 year. If I tell you that Nigeria, in fact, if I tell you that this Nigeria, we have a lot of problem in Nigeria, but most of you may not believe. If I tell you that this country called Nigeria, a lot of problem. Nigeria is like a confused country. Confused country. I'm telling you the truth. Look at this innocent man. Please, I'm still there. Though I will still look for the family of the member of this man. Yes. So, my brothers, my sisters, Obuni Igbo, and you are watching this video, what I want you to do is for you to share this video. If you say, you people they follow me sometimes, since last year, I've been doing protests, only me. I've been doing protests, coming out Menlo, doing protests, telling the Lagos State Governor to release this man. And I saw a video, this guy on Ikenga Uluagu North South Africa. I called that guy Ikenga Uluagu. A video Ikenga Uluagu made about this man. I don't know happy. Ikenga Uluagu yes, the guy in North South Africa. Some of you may know the guy. Ikenga Uluagu a video made about this man. If on Nas Suja okay, this man. A video Ikenga Uluagu mele. On us, we make go ask this man or not the yao. In form of the man is an evil man. The man is an evil man. This man is a good man. This man is an innocent man. He just want to protect and save the Igbos in Lagos. That is the only thing this man want to do. Yes, this man is innocent man. What the man need is just to protect the Igbos, to secure their business. That is the only thing. That is offense that this man committed in Lagos. This man did not kill anybody. This man did not harm kill anybody in Lagos. This man, he just want to secure the Igbos' business in Lagos. But it's a very shameful and a disgrace. In fact, it's a very shame to all the Igbos in Lagos. I have said it several times. It's a very shameful thing to all the Igbos that are living in Lagos. Because it's a very shameful thing to all the Igbos that are living in Lagos. Yes. Why I say so? Because this man stood up for you people. This man not inside prison now because of you people, because of the Igbos in Lagos. And when this man was in the prison, and most of you feel I don't care. I told you people before that Obon and Lagos, I will go to the government house. Yes, if they want to carry me, let them carry me put inside. I will bring banner. That banner from the Ghana government house. Yes, I'm the one that telling you. I will gather some people, some group of people, but if they refuse that they will not follow me go, I will go only me. I will carry banner, go to government house, tell Governor Sonwolu, make him release this man. This man is an innocent man. Yes, I'm telling you what I can do. So it's a very shameful thing to all the Igbos in Lagos. Because you people supposed to stand by this man. Yes, but I'm not even seeing anything. There is no a day all the Igbos in Lagos stood up to do protests about this man. They know one to show that it's a very shameful thing to all the Igbos in Lagos. It's a very shame to you people in Lagos. I'm the one that's saying it. All the Igbos in Lagos is a very shameful thing to you people. Even once, I'm not talking about you people to do protests, come out to main road. No. Even in that market, Afia Hono on here, when no banner the man, just Gahalia and Afia Hokikiri, Gulebu Gahalia with the banner. The video will go viral. They got the Lagos State Governor will know, yes, Nonya Haji Bumade. But you people couldn't do it. No one have to save you people. You people abandon him that place. You people abandon him that place. When I feel I don't care. Yes. I don't know the man. I'm not in Lagos. I don't know him personal. I'm not personal. But I saw what the man passed through. So no. Let me come out to stand for this man. This man is a good man. They are persecuting this man because this man is an Igbo man. They are maltreating this man because this man is from the east. Yes, that Fachajeria because of he said that he called the IPOP. But to do the wars are in Lagos doing protests. doing that, this thing, they need their own freedom. But Governor Sanwo-Olu couldn't call Oduduwa terrorist, but he called Biafra terrorist. That is why they charge him terrorist. Later they then cancel the charge. Do you see? Ndi Igbo no Lagos, sorry for you people. I'm telling you people the truth. Sorry for you people. So now, the case now this man 1 year, organ 1 year. I know na highest before this year, oga 1 year ka ha tụrụ ya nga ka ọ organ 1 year. 1 year ha ji tụrụ ya nga bụzikwa maka issue of IPOP. No. 1 year ha ji tụrụ ya nga because of why Oja Azeze, why who made him king in Yoruba land. Why Oja Azeze? That is only thing ha ji wee tụrụ ya nga 1 year. So careful ihe ndị Yoruba na-eme ndị Igbo na careful mathematics. So we can see what Yoruba people they do Igbos in Lagos. The other time I saw a video where some Yoruba's tradition, where they gather in one junction. They did something to call for. Na akuyanana. Na elect course on Igbos. They elect course on Igbos. They elect course on Igbos. Yes. They elect course on Igbos. I saw the video. So when I just saw the video, I was saying, what is happening? They just gathered themselves together. If I were there, how many years ago? Like 7 or 6 years ago, during the lockdown, something like that. Lockdown all over the world. That I now back up for the video. That is when I saw the video. They were doing incantation against the Igbos in Lagos State, one street. So, omune mundi Igbo, ono ga-agbada anya. Oboni no Lagos, ị ga-agbada anya. Yamala if you get me na Lagos. Nda na-akpaliza too much. Ha na-akpaliza na onwere ife aibu, ha na-enyeza anyị big insult na onwere ihe aibu. So, onye nọ n'aba ahụ, gboro anyị ịgbada anya. Ịchọ igo ihe, ịchọ anything on chọrọ igo, like most of you chọrọ ime investment aba ahụ. Anyị ekwugidego ọdụka ya na ndị ogbenye na-enye ndị ọgaranya advance. Inye mmadụ advance. To advise you people. No, I'm not doing it, but I'm just telling you for your own good. Because this our brother Lolo Lagos landmark, in case now spend almost $30 million US. They later demolished that place. Yes, the man now, I saw him at Enugu State. He made the governor of Enugu State. But when that man was building that place, if somebody told him to not build that, he will not agree. He will refuse. But now they don't demolish millions of dollars investment he did in Lagos. Millions of dollars investment he did in Lagos. But Obrona, Ogwaflia, Wasia Oga, Ihina Shilalonia, Odepote. So on one actual investment name na you sabi. My Mika woman Jepu. So it was anything on the time that one to concern you. So let me end this video here. So I'm here because of this our brother Kajiba Kabiaba. I'm going on Ebokuno now. So if I now if you do bad beto and Gabo na on Aza Ezendo Ibon Lagos. So now my Kaka Hajibeto Yanga. So you have Buife Nemen that place right now. So Unubundi Bono Lagos. Unu need dream a protest, Maga this man one day. Thank you. God bless you.